Here are the key features of the ZE residential solar energy storage system developed by Ace Battery. This product is available in two variants: smaller 2.4 kilowatts per hour 𝐊𝐞𝐲29291 and more powerful 4.2 kilowatts per hour 𝐊𝐞𝐲29292. Both use 48 volts nominal voltage and can operate with maximum discharge current of 100 and 200 volts respectively. Lithium iron phosphate batteries used in these are extremely safe and require no maintenance. The system can be used both in on and off-grid applications, allowing to optimise the solar array's performance, accumulate excessive power production, and use it whenever needed. Conveniently, the product can be wall or floor mounted, offering choice and possibility of optimal use of available space on site. Simple buckle fixing makes installation easy and time efficient. These are also compatible with most hybrid inverters available on the market. Scalable design allows building of bigger capacity arrays, so these can be used not only in residential but also in smaller commercial and industrial applications, including telecom base stations and micro off-grid systems. These are certified with various industry standard certifications such as IEC 62619, UL 1973, CE, UN 38.3 and RoHS. System service life by our estimate is at least 10 years and more than 6,000 cycles. Inbuilt protection features ensure the system's safety, including transportation and sleep modes. Intelligent battery management systems provide optimal use of energy and high efficiency. Ace Battery is headquartered in Shenzhen, China, and has more than 20 years of experience in the lithium battery industry. Several production units in mainland China, extensive R&D facilities, and highly educated and professional staff ensure our ability to produce highly efficient and cost-effective products based on latest trend technologies. Since quality and compliance with international standards are very important to us, we obtained multiple relevant certifications, such as IATF 16949, ISO 9001 and 14001, UL 1973, CE, CB, IEC and UN 38.3. Ace Battery's primary focus is on R&D and manufacture of lithium ion and lithium iron phosphate based energy storage systems. Up to date, we have delivered more than 2 gigawatts for various markets and industries.